Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talking about hobbies.
Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, let's start. Sophia, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, Ryan. Thank you for asking. And you?
I am doing wonderful. I am excited about our topic.
Me too. Hobbies are very fun to talk about.
That is true. Everybody has a hobby, right?
Yes, I think so. A hobby makes life interesting.
Exactly. Sophia, what is a hobby? Can you explain it simply?
Of course. A hobby is an activity. You do it in your free time.
Yes, you do it because you love it, not for work.
Exactly. It is for fun and relaxation.
That is a great definition. So, Sophia, what is your favorite hobby?
Oh, I have a few hobbies, but my favorite hobby is reading books.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. What kind of books do you read?
I like to read simple storybooks and English stories.
Wow, that is amazing. How often do you read?
I read every single day. I read for 30 minutes before I sleep.
30 minutes every night? That is very good.
Yes, it helps me relax. What about you, Ryan? What is your hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football. I love sports.
Wow, that sounds fun. Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play with my friends every Saturday afternoon.
Where do you play football? Do you play in a park?
Yes, we play at the big park near my house. There is a lot of green grass.
That sounds beautiful. I like parks too, but I prefer to sit and read.
I understand. Football is very high energy. Reading is quiet.
Yes, they are very different, but both are wonderful.
I agree. Let's stop for a moment. This is a good time for our learning section.
Great idea. Let's look at the words we used.
We use the word hobby. One hobby, but two hobbies.
Yes, notice the spelling change. Hobby becomes Hobbies.
That is a useful grammar point. We changed the Y to IES for more than one.
Exactly. For example, my hobby is reading, or my hobbies are reading and cooking.
Perfect. Let's give another example for our listeners.
Sure, I have many hobbies. This means more than one.
Excellent. Now let's look at the verb play. I said, I play football.
Yes, we use play for sports with a ball, like play football, play tennis, play basketball.
That is true, but we do not say play reading, right?
No, we do not. We just say, I read books, or my hobby is reading.
Thank you, Sophia. That is a very important tip for beginners.
You are welcome. Let's continue our conversation now.
Okay, Sophia, do you have any other hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I do. I also like listening to music.
Oh, listening to music is great. What kind of music do you like?
I like happy music and pop songs. Sometimes I listen to English songs.
Listening to English songs is great for learning English.
I agree. It helps me learn new words and correct pronunciation.
Wow, that is a smart way to practice. Who is your favorite singer?
I do not have one favorite singer. I like many different singers.
I understand. When do you usually listen to music?
I listen to music when I clean my room or when I cook dinner.
Oh, you cook? Is cooking another hobby for you?
Well, I cook every day, but I think it is a hobby because I enjoy it.
That counts. If you enjoy it, it can definitely be a hobby.
What do you like to cook?
I like to make simple pasta and fresh salads. It is easy and healthy.
Yum, that sounds delicious. I love pasta.
Me too. It is my favorite food. What about you, Ryan? Do you like cooking?
No, I do not like cooking. I am not good at it.
Oh, really? Who cooks in your house?
My mother cooks, or sometimes I buy food from a restaurant.
That is fine too. Cooking is not for everyone.
Yes, that is true. My hands are good for sports, not for cooking.
Haha, that is funny. Speaking of sports, do you like any other sports?
Yes, I like swimming. Swimming is very refreshing in the summer.
Oh, swimming is a fantastic hobby. How often do you swim?
I only swim in the summer. I go to the public pool once a week.
Once a week is good exercise. Is the pool crowded?
Yes, it is usually crowded on weekends, so I go on Tuesday evenings.
That is a good plan. Tuesday evenings are probably quiet.
Yes, it is very peaceful. I love the water.
Let's pause here for another quick learning section.
Yes, let's explain some words we just used.
We use the words once a week. What does that mean?
Once a week means one time every week. For example, every Tuesday.
What if we do something 2 times a week?
We say twice a week. For example, I play football twice a week.
Excellent. And for 3 times, we just say 3 times a week.
Yes, that is correct. Only once and twice have special words.
That is a very useful sentence structure for beginners to share their routine.
Yes, let's practice pronunciation of twice. Listen closely. Twice.
Twice. It has a soft S sound at the end.
Perfect, Ryan. Now let's talk about the verb go. I said, I go to the pool.
Yes, go is an irregular verb. In the present, it is go. What about the past?
In the past, it changes completely. It becomes went.
Right. So yesterday, I went to the pool.
Yes, many beginners make a mistake and say goed, but good is incorrect.
Thank you for that correction. It is always went for the past of go.
Great. Let's return to our hobby talk.
Listeners, let's open up a question for you right now.
Yes, what about you? What is your favorite hobby?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We want to read them.
Yes, please type a simple sentence like, my hobby is.
We love reading your comments. Now, Sophia, let's talk about indoor hobbies versus outdoor hobbies.
Oh, that is an interesting topic. Indoor means inside the house.
Yes, and outdoor means outside, under the sky.
My hobbies, like reading and listening to music, are mostly indoor hobbies.
True, and my hobbies, like football and swimming, are outdoor hobbies.
Which do you think is better, Ryan? Indoor or outdoor?
I think both are good. Outdoor hobbies are good for your body and health.
I agree. You get fresh air and sunshine.
Yes, but indoor hobbies are great when the weather is bad.
That is very true. If it is raining, you cannot play football.
Exactly. If it rains, I stay inside and watch TV or play video games.
Oh, video games. Is playing video games a hobby for you too?
Yes, it is. I play video games on my computer sometimes.
That sounds fun. What kind of games do you like?
I like racing games. I like to drive virtual cars very fast.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Do you play alone?
Sometimes I play alone, and sometimes I play online with other people.
Playing online is a great way to meet friends from different countries.
Yes, it is. Sometimes I even practice my English with them.
That is amazing. You can learn English while playing games.
Yes, hobbies can help you learn many things.
I agree completely. For example, my reading hobby helps my vocabulary.
It really does. Sophia, do you prefer physical books or digital books on a screen?
I prefer physical books. I like the feeling of turning the paper pages.
Me too. The smell of old books is very nice.
Yes, it is unique. Digital books are convenient, but physical books are classic.
That is true. Where do you buy your books?
I do not buy many books. I go to the local library.
Oh, the library. That is a great place. Is it free?
Yes, it is completely free. I borrow 3 books every 2 weeks.
Borrowing books is a great way to save money.
Yes, and the library is very quiet. It is a good place to study.
I should visit the library more often. I usually just buy books online.
You should try it, Ryan. It is a peaceful place.
Let's do another quick learning section here, Sophia.
Let's do it. We used 2 important words, buy and borrow.
Yes, let's explain the difference. Buy means you give money and keep the item.
Correct. I buy a book from a bookstore. The book belongs to me now.
And borrow means you take something for a short time and give it back later.
Exactly. I borrow a book from the library. I must return it in 2 weeks.
That is an important difference. Beginners often confuse these two words.
Yes, so remember, buying costs money. Borrowing is usually free but temporary.
Great explanation, Sophia. Let's look at the pronunciation of library.
Library. It can be a little difficult because of the R sounds. Let's say it slowly. Library.
Library. Perfect. Practice saying this word at home, listeners.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Let's continue.
Sophia, do you think people need to have a hobby?
Yes, I think hobbies are very important for our minds.
Why do you think so?
Because work and school can make people stressed and tired.
That is true. Life can be very busy and stressful.
Yes, a hobby gives your brain a break. It makes you feel happy.
I agree. When I play football, I forget about all my problems.
Exactly. You only focus on the ball and the game. It is healthy relaxation.
Yes, it gives you good energy for the next day.
What happens if a person has no hobbies, Ryan?
I think they might feel bored or lonely sometimes.
Yes, boredom is not a good feeling. Hobbies keep us active.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please hit the like button. It helps our channel grow so we can make more videos.
Thank you, everyone. Now, Sophia, let's think about new hobbies.
New hobbies? Do you want to try a new hobby?
Yes, I want to try a new hobby this year. I want to learn photography.
Wow, photography. That sounds wonderful. Taking pictures is a beautiful art.
Yes, I want to take pictures of nature, trees, and animals.
Do you have a professional camera?
No, not yet. Cameras are very expensive. I will use my smartphone first.
That is a great idea. Modern smartphones have excellent cameras.
Yes, they do. I can practice angle and light with my phone.
Then, if you love it, you can buy a real camera later.
Exactly. That is my plan. What about you, Sophia? Any new hobbies you want to try?
I want to try gardening. I want to grow flowers on my balcony.
Oh, gardening. That is a very peaceful hobby.
Yes, I love red roses and yellow sunflowers. I want to see them grow.
Growing plants takes patience. You must water them every day.
Yes, I know. I think taking care of plants teaches us to be patient.
That is true. It is a slow and beautiful process.
Let's do our final learning section for today's episode.
Perfect. Let's look at the words expensive and cheap.
I said cameras are expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money.
Yes, like a luxury car or a big house. Those are expensive.
And the opposite word is cheap. Cheap means it costs a little bit of money.
For example, a pencil is cheap. It only costs $1.
Yes, some hobbies are expensive, like photography or golf.
And some hobbies are cheap, like running or drawing with a simple pencil.
Exactly. You do not need a lot of money to have a good hobby.
That is a wonderful message, Sophia. Hobbies are for everyone, rich or poor.
Yes, the most important thing is that it makes you smile.
I agree completely. Well, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today, Ryan. Talking about hobbies is great.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.